Hey guys, so today I was going to create a live stream about doing some conversion optimization, and to do my live stream I wanted to add a page on maybe doing a countdown before the live stream so that people could engage or know that there's a live stream happening in a few minutes. And then I thought, why don't I just make a live stream about making the live stream page and maybe show you guys how I do some of my live stream stuff. So to do the live stream with this lower thirds and be able to transition between the webcam and my browser, I use software called OBS Studios. And this is just a simple, the lower thirds is just a simple graphic that overlays the webcam scene there. And my team's slacking me at the moment. Great, working on some stuff. So anyway, what I was going to do is I thought I'm going to use our Limelight theme for WordPress and create a loading page or a going live shortly type of page just with our Limelight theme. So I'll just walk through that while I do it. And let me go ahead and switch over to my browser, back over to my browser here. And so here is the theme. I'm just building this right on the Build Your Dream website. All I did was create a new page called Going Live. And I'll retitle that. And edit with Elementor. This is the currently this is the drag and drop interface for the Limelight theme. Actually, before I do this, I'm going to go into the theme page settings with the theme options and remove the header and footer. So exit to dashboard. Oops, let's see. Edit page. There we are. And hide footer, hide header, update. Go and edit here. Now let's go ahead and create a new section, and I want this section to be full size. Let's give it a background color. Let's see. I'm gonna, if anybody's great. What kind of color should we go for? We've got our theme colors. How about bright pink? That'll stand off a Facebook page. And let's grab some elements. Let's see, let's go here. Going live. And center this. Oops, center it. And change the color. Text color. Let's go white. And let's see. Text editor. Throw that in there. This way I can easily edit the whatever copy. If I want to throw something on here about, hey, we're going live and we're going to be covering such and such subject, I thought it's going to be a quick and easy way to do this. But we'll just make this generic for today for this example. Live in, oops, this is what I was thinking maybe. Text color, let's go white, and we could center it again. And pretty sure there is a timer, countdown timer feature. Countdown, boom. Let's go in. We don't need days or hours. Let's go minutes. And evergreen timer, so it'll always count down. And let's just say we want a 5-minute timer. Every time I launch this will count down for 5 minutes. We could make this, I kind of like this block, this is fine. Let's go ahead and want to make sure these sections have some good margins. So top, say 65. Bottom, I want this to be full page. I want it to take up the whole page when you come here. So let's go like 600, say. And I want this to be bigger. And so we can come into style and change this typography, even though it's this H2 tag. Let's go like going live. And let's make it a little more relevant. Let's say we could add my picture. We could add the Build Your Dream thing. I usually do this from my personal page, so maybe a profile image of myself. I don't know. I don't even know if I have any in here loaded into the page, but we can see what we got in the library. Here's a round picture of me. Let's see. Here, look at that. Let's go smaller with this. Let's see. Custom. 200. Let's actually see. We've got intersections now. So let's go ahead and put this over here and say, ooh, I also created a new logo for myself, which I don't think is in here, but for the sake of not spending all day showing you this, let's just go ahead and drop some text in there. And I can fix this up later, but you can see how easy this is to do. Let's go. Say, boom, text white. Let's make this all bigger. Style, typography. Why did I mess up the text there? Content. Let's use this here. Let's go bold and italic. I don't know. I don't really like that, but let's just kill it. Delete, and actually, oop, I like the intersection with the two columns. Let's move this content. Come on. Okay, I'll just recreate it. Or we could just do this. Anyway, I'll go ahead and tweak this later, but you can see I've got this page now. We'll go ahead and update this and just make sure that it looks like what I want it to look like. And there's this margin on here. So there's a few ways you can handle this. This is some default stuff, but I don't want to change any global settings. So I'm just going to come in here and go advanced, add margins, and do a negative, like negative 65. Should clean that up. Update. And actually, let's just make this a little more grammatically correct. So now I can just load this screen up in my OBS software anytime, and I actually have it so when I refresh, this countdown timer is set evergreen, so that means anytime I refresh this page, the counter's gonna start over. So let's just take a look at what it looks like from the viewer's perspective. Boom, and of course I'm logged in, so could log out so we don't get the admin bar. And it's just / going live. And boom. Oh, 59 minutes. Somehow the timer got reset. Let's see. Can't have you looking at my passwords. So this element, how did I do this? 5 minutes. Why is it saying 59 minutes, 52 seconds? 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Show label, update. Going live. Well this, oh, no, now it's working. Okay, something was buggy there. All right, so basically I can load this screen up. I can load this up, and this can be going live screen that I just populate, and it counts down, and I can make that a scene in my OBS software. I'm not actually sure that I can, let's see, OBS. I don't know if I can display OBS. Here, let me try to do that so you can see my OBS interface. Let's see, video capture, window capture, window capture. Chrome. Windows Ebook, Chrome, Mozilla. Yeah, I'm not sure. Anyway, this is why you probably shouldn't be doing this stuff live. Trying to show stuff you didn't set up in advance, but anyway. I'll show you OBS. If anybody's interested, comment. I can show you and walk you through OBS another time. But that is how to set up a custom loading screen to go live right through just using a web page, and then share your browser's loading screen, switch the scene before you go live. I hope that was helpful for you guys. Have a good day.